guys, welcome back to the channel. It is time for another Spooky Box Club unboxing, and this is one that I am quite excited for. It's Season of the Witch, so I am pretty pumped, feeling good about this, feeling ready, feeling excited. What about you? So we're just gonna dive right in, open this right up. What do we got? Ooh, okay, setting this aside so I don't spoil my surprises. Popping the loud things. Ooh, oh, okay, all right, I see ya. Oh, what's this? Oh, okay. All right, so there is a little thank you card in here, little Spooky Box Club thank you, or it says thank boo, thank boo. Okay, oh, right, okay, so on top, a lot of people are gonna enjoy this one. So this is this is the pin in this box, and it has like a big old goat or ram skull on it, and it says live deliciously. And I know people are gonna love that, because I know whenever that movie came out and like Black Phillip and stuff, people were going nuts for it. That movie for me, I have such mixed feelings about. It's like aesthetically really pretty, and like I enjoyed like Black Phillip and stuff, but it wasn't what I was expecting, so I was actually very let down. But I don't know, maybe if I watched it again now that I don't have the expectations, I would enjoy it more. But I do love stuff like themed around it for sure, so this is really cute. Our sweets this month are some good old love hearts. I feel like America has a version of these, but I feel like they're different, or they're called something different. But they're called love hearts here, and yeah, they just have like little sayings and stuff on them, like be mine and for you and stuff. I'm sure most people are familiar with the concept. Ooh, there's also a little like heart-shaped lollipop. We have got a nice little, is this a necklace? There's some sort of little pendant on a chain in here. Yes, I would assume this is a necklace, and it's like a nice crescent moon. Very, very pretty. It's completely plain on one side, and then the back of it just has a little SBC for Spooky Box Club. And again, this is pretty. It's one of those things, like Spooky Box Club is so good for like nice dainty, like, you know, little dangly necklaces that you can sort of layer and add to outfits. So this is gorgeous. I think this one, is this one? This one is also from Spooky Box Club. I can't remember which box the one I'm wearing is. So yeah, never too many of these, and that's very pretty. And it's like very heavy and nice. I don't know why I like this so much. It just feels like really like, it has like good weight to it or something. I don't know. I could just be being odd, but I'm happy with it. There's like a thing right here, like under other things that I can see that I'm like, but first there's a little box. Oh, pretty! Okay, look, it's like little dangly bone freaking earrings. I actually love these. Also, in like one of the spooky boxes, we got like a skull necklace and a bone necklace, and these will go so well with that set of jewelry, so I'm really excited. I haven't actually tried on the little skull ones yet that we got in a recent box, so, and this has the same like clasp as them. Oh, I've never tried an earring clasp like this before, but I'm not wearing anything right now. Hold on. Oh my god, that's like so much better than normal earrings. Why aren't all earrings like this? Because I'm always losing earrings because like my ears are still sort of stretched, so the hole's quite big, so it's easy for stuff to slip out. But like this type of backing, hold on, it like closes the whole way and it snaps it into place like really easily, so they won't just fall out. Why are all earrings not like this? This is like, Spooky Box Club is the only place I've seen doing this. I'm sure other places must, but this is the first time I've seen earrings like this, and I have been converted. This is great. Oh, I love them so much. Oh my god, these are like my new favorite earrings. Okay. I'm enjoying this box. This is a good box. Okay, so this is the thing that I've been looking at. What is it? A makeup bag? Oh my god. Oh my god, and it's so good for me. Honestly, if I were a more arrogant person, I would almost feel like this was made for me just because of what it says on it. Alright, so before I show you, not only is the design beautiful, but the slogan is just so fitting. Okay, so let's have a look at this. We've got, it's like a nice silvery design. It has like a branch coming down with like a really pretty spindly spider, and the branch kind of comes up here, and then there's like a moon, and then it says, just like the moon, I go through phases. So yeah, like, you know, the way I say, like with my style, how it kind of like, I go in and out of like fashion phases, but like, you know, I always come back to them, so it's like a moon cycle. How perfect is this for me? Oh my god, like me to a T. Oh, that's so nice, and I'm always looking for more like pouches like this. I know that probably seems impossible considering how many pouches you see me get, but like, I was packing this weekend and I needed another pouch and I didn't have one because all my pouches were being used already, so I'm always in need of things like this. I love this so much. It's like a nice sturdy material as well, has little Spooky Box Club labels. It's all very good. I like this a lot. It's really cute. Oh, and it like opens out so the bottom flattens out so you can get more stuff in there. Oh, what will you be for? Gardening stuff? Seeds? I don't know, but I'm happy. Got lots in here. Ooh, ooh, ooh! Okay, we ain't playing. So not only did we get the pretty little pouch, but we have like a giant version of like a very similar design. It has the same quote. It has like the same sort of elements. It's just like laid out differently, but it's the same sort of thing. So we've got like a nice big version, and this has a zip as well. So I guess this is kind of like a tote, and then you can put stuff in your thing and put it in the tote. Oh my gosh, this is so nice. And it's good and sturdy again too. I like this. Like it's very, like it feels like, you know, you wouldn't have any issues with it ripping or anything if you put a lot in there. I actually have another tote bag from Spooky Box Club, but it was from a box that I didn't get during like whenever everything like went really bad. I think it was whenever we went to like LA and then Japan and Korea in a really short period of time, and I just missed loads of stuff, so my boxes got paused for a while. But I think it was the bug themed box, and someone actually sent me some of the stuff that they got in their bug themed box, and one of the things was the tote from that box. I am pretty sure that's where it came from. And I love that, and I use it all the time because it is just so like heavyweight and sturdy and good. And this is so nice as well, and I just look, I love this so much. Okay, your girl needs to calm down. Ooh, cute. Okay, so the last thing in the box is like a little art print, and it's got the moon and it's got bones. This is cute. So I really, really like this. I'm still struggling to find frames that fit these. Like I searched IKEA for ages and I just couldn't find anything that fit these prints well. So I'm gonna have to just measure it and try to find one online. But this is really, really cute, and I like this one because I would like to maybe start like putting them up along the sort of awkward places in the attic, like the little beams if they'll fit. So that is my project, but yeah, this is just really cute. Okay, let me read the thing. This box has been too exciting for me. Okay. Custom made witchy moon phase tote bag. Yes. Custom made spider floral pouch. Yes. Custom made live deliciously enamel pin. Yes. Custom made crescent moon necklace. Yes. Custom made the moon tarot card art print. Yes. Custom made dangling bone earrings. Yes. And love hearts candy suitable for vegetarians. Look at my little dangling bones. I love it. Okay, so this was great. This was a really fun box. This has been one of my favorites of the past while. I'm very happy. This might be like my new sort of like going out to collect plants type thing, because I want to do another terrarium video soon. I have plans for that. So, but I love this. I very much enjoyed this. I hope you enjoyed it too. I hope my just unreasonable levels of excitement weren't too annoying. If you did enjoy it, I would appreciate a thumbs up. Also leave me a comment and let me know what your favorite thing in the box was, because this has been thrilling for me. Okay, I'm gonna count down now. If you're new here, feel free to subscribe to the madness. We would love to have you here if you can put up with it. And before you go, if you guys could check out my Patreon, I would love that so much. It really means the world to me. It really is how I support this channel and myself, because YouTube sucks. So yes, if you would like to help keep this channel going, then the link is down in the description and you can check that out and read a bit more about it. And I will see you in the next video. I hope you all have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time. Bye, lovelies!